The Yamaha R15S stands as an icon of speed, precision, and design, capturing the essence of racing DNA in a street-friendly package. As it rests in a luxurious showroom, its aerodynamic silhouette reflects under the ambient lights, showcasing the sharp, aggressive lines that define its sporty appeal. Every curve and contour of this machine has been sculpted for performance, and as enthusiasts lay their eyes upon it, they can instantly sense the power and thrill it promises. The deep, glossy paint gleams under the showroom lights, emphasizing its refined craftsmanship. The bold Yamaha branding and signature R-Series styling make it a standout, symbolizing the legacy of racing excellence. The heart of the Yamaha R15S is its liquid-cooled, 155cc, single-cylinder engine, engineered to deliver an exhilarating ride. With variable valve actuation (VVA) technology, it ensures seamless power delivery across the rev range, providing instant throttle response whether cruising in the city or pushing the limits on open roads. This intelligent system optimizes both low-end torque and high-end power, making every ride effortlessly smooth yet thrilling. The fuel injection system enhances efficiency, allowing riders to experience maximum performance without compromising fuel economy. With a 6-speed gearbox, the R15S offers precise and quick gear shifts, ensuring uninterrupted acceleration. Designed with a fully faired aerodynamic body, the Yamaha R15S minimizes wind resistance, enhancing stability at high speeds. The windscreen is positioned strategically to reduce drag, while the sculpted fuel tank allows riders to tuck in comfortably, embracing the true spirit of a sports bike. The aggressive twin LED headlamps add to its striking appearance, illuminating the road ahead with crisp, bright light for enhanced visibility during night rides. At the rear, the sleek LED taillight complements the bike's sporty character, making it recognizable even from a distance. The lightweight delta-box frame of the R15S ensures superior handling and stability, giving riders the confidence to take on sharp corners with ease. Its rigid yet balanced structure provides exceptional control, allowing the bike to glide smoothly through turns while maintaining its composure at high speeds. The aluminum swingarm further enhances its agility, making it a perfect machine for both spirited rides and daily commutes. Whether navigating through city traffic or hitting the highway, the R15S offers an unmatched riding experience. Suspension plays a crucial role in delivering comfort and control, and Yamaha has equipped the R15S with telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock absorber. These components work together to absorb shocks and bumps, ensuring a plush ride even on uneven surfaces. The precision-tuned suspension setup provides excellent road feedback, allowing riders to maintain full control over the bike in various riding conditions. The wide radial rear tire enhances grip and stability, offering superior traction for a confident ride. Braking is another aspect where the Yamaha R15S excels. With a powerful disc brake setup on both the front and rear wheels, it delivers strong and progressive stopping power. The advanced braking system ensures quick deceleration, reducing stopping distances for enhanced safety. The inclusion of a single-channel ABS further enhances rider confidence, preventing wheel lock-ups during sudden braking situations. This ensures maximum control, even in emergency scenarios. Step closer to the R15S, and the attention to detail in its design becomes evident. The fully digital instrument cluster offers a wealth of information at a glance, including speed, RPM, fuel level, gear position, and a shift light indicator. The intuitive layout ensures that riders can access crucial data without distractions, enhancing the overall riding experience. The backlit display remains visible under all lighting conditions, making it convenient for both day and night rides. Comfort is a priority in the Yamaha R15S, and its ergonomics have been carefully designed to accommodate various riding styles. The one-piece seat offers superior comfort for both the rider and pillion, making it suitable for long-distance rides. The well-positioned handlebars and rear-set footpegs create a sporty yet comfortable riding posture, reducing fatigue during extended journeys. This blend of sportiness and practicality makes the R15S a versatile companion for riders who seek both excitement and comfort. The Yamaha R15S is more than just a motorcycle, it is an expression of passion and performance. Every ride on this machine ignites the thrill of racing, making every moment on the road an unforgettable experience. The deep exhaust note resonates with power, creating an exhilarating sound that complements its high-performance capabilities. Whether revving at a standstill or accelerating on an open stretch, the R15S delivers an auditory experience that excites every motorcycle enthusiast. Beyond performance, the R15S also boasts remarkable fuel efficiency, making it a practical choice for everyday riders. The optimized fuel injection system ensures maximum combustion efficiency, allowing riders to cover more distance with every tank of fuel. This balance between power and efficiency sets the R15S apart as an ideal machine for those who crave excitement without compromise. Safety is a key consideration, and Yamaha has incorporated multiple features to enhance rider security. The robust chassis and superior braking system work together to provide excellent road grip and stability. The advanced lighting setup improves nighttime visibility, ensuring that riders can navigate safely in low-light conditions. The well-engineered aerodynamics also contribute to overall ride safety by enhancing stability at high speeds. For riders who appreciate premium aesthetics, the Yamaha R15S does not disappoint. The high-quality paint finish, sharp graphics, and signature R-Series badging give it a striking presence. The seamless integration of performance and design ensures that this bike turns heads wherever it goes. Whether displayed in a luxurious showroom or out on the streets, the R15S embodies the essence of a true sports bike. Owning the Yamaha R15S is not just about having a motorcycle, it is about experiencing the pure joy of riding. From its responsive throttle to its agile handling, every aspect of this machine is designed to deliver excitement. The connection between the rider and the bike is seamless, allowing for an intuitive and immersive riding experience. Whether carving through winding roads or cruising through the city, the R15S responds with precision and confidence. The R15S continues to uphold Yamaha's legacy of innovation and excellence. With cutting-edge technology and race-inspired engineering, it represents the future of performance-oriented motorcycles. Yamaha's commitment to quality and reliability ensures that the R15S remains a trusted companion for riders who demand the best. As the Yamaha R15S stands in the showroom, surrounded by luxury and sophistication, it serves as a testament to Yamaha's dedication to creating exceptional motorcycles. The illuminated showroom name on the wall adds to the premium ambiance, reinforcing the exclusivity of this machine. The reflections on the polished floor mirror the elegance of the R15S, emphasizing its status as a masterpiece of engineering. Every aspect of the Yamaha R15S speaks of performance, precision, and passion. It is a motorcycle built for those who dare to push boundaries and embrace the thrill of the ride. The road ahead is waiting, and the R15S is ready to conquer it. Unleash the racer in you and experience the ultimate ride with Yamaha R15S.